everybody? I'm here today to talk to you about 7 reasons to get a Galaxy Watch 4. I recently got my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and I absolutely love it. There are many reasons why I love it, but these are by far my top 7 reasons. Let's get right into the video. I have some notes down here. That's why I keep glancing down. So as I glance down, why don't you take a look at my bald head and realize that I just realized through the camera that I have to give it a nice shave tonight. So anyways, let's get right into the video. That's why I'm glancing down. Reason number 1, super fast and responsive. Now the truth of the matter is that in most modern smartwatches, you're going to get good speed and good levels of responsiveness. However, in order to get to that speed and responsive level, you need to pay a premium price. This is priced right in the middle of the smartwatch spectrum of pricing, and you're getting the speed and responsivity of the higher end pricing. But you're only paying a medium level price. That's why I appreciate it. Reason number 2, lightweight and slim design. This thing is very, very lightweight. The design level is basically like a medium thickness watch. I'm a watch collector. I really do enjoy my watches. This is like, it reminds me of a medium thickness watch, like a medium profile watch. And it looks very classically like a watch. When it's off, it looks like literally a watch. Even when it's on, if you choose the right type of clock face, it looks like a classic watch. I really appreciate that. Number 3, unbelievably easy to use. Once you set this thing up, it takes you through a tutorial. The tutorial only takes you, it's only like, I don't know, 10 steps maybe. It only takes you a few minutes and you basically know how to use a smartwatch. So like I could literally teach my 94-year-old grandmother how to use this watch in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes. And she's never touched a cell phone in her life, but she could understand this. So unbelievably easy to use. Reason number 4, you can use it basically or more advancedly. So basically you can, no pun intended, so basically you can use it at a basic level just for its basic functions, tracking your activity levels, you know, dealing with phone calls, text messages and so forth, notifications and so forth, or you can use it in a more advanced level. I actually used this earlier to check my blood oxygen level. So like you can really go advanced with regards to your health tracking, okay? Reason number 5, the screen is vibrant and easy to read. One thing I don't like about certain smartwatches is when the time is so small, the font is so small you can't read it. Like, look at this. You can tell what time it is. I could have my arm out like this, and I can tell what time it is. Yes, you can choose different clock faces, of course, but in general, the screen, the font on all of the screens is generally easy to read, and it's nice and vibrant and bright. I have no problem seeing this on a sunny day. It's just, the screen is just absolutely fantastic, the vibrant levels of it, okay? I don't know what kind of lighting it is. I haven't done enough research to know what type of lighting it is. If it's LCD or OLED, I think it might be OLED, but don't quote me on it, but that's what I believe that it is. But like I said, it's so bright, so easy to read. That was number 5. Screen is vibrant, bright, and easy to read. Number 6, great apps and app support. So it already comes preloaded with lots of apps, okay? These are the apps that come preloaded on. You can see tons of apps preloaded on it. Tons of apps preloaded on it, okay? In addition, the app support is great. There are many apps that can be downloaded, and with regards to updates, like it's unproblematic. It just works really well. The apps seem to just flow nicely. Okay. The last reason number 7, is that it has next level health tracking. So this is not just a basic health activity tracker. You can go advanced. You can use it for its basic needs, but you can also go super duper advanced. So it has next level health tracking, okay? You need to, with regards to the features, like I said, you can choose to use it simply or you can choose to use it more advancedly. If you go to the advanced route and you start turning on all the health tracking features like the blood oxygen level tracker and stuff, it's incredible and it's accurate, okay? A lot of smartwatches might boast the fact that they can measure these things, but accuracy is a whole different ballgame. It measures them and it's accurate, which is a huge plus. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.